for all you youngsters out there. Anytime they go, you want the stuntman to do it? Always say yes. Look at this.
Oh,
look at him duct taping himself to the side of a plane. These guys are crazy.
That is like the best reaction ever.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so his neck is fused. All those vertebrae and screws and bolts always had music in movies. So from the time they had movies where they were silent, there was music playing in the background. They just kept it in there. Like, it doesn't make sense that music.
But the guy was going, he's just looking at the x-rays. He's like, so, when'd you break your neck? Because I never broke my neck. He goes, yeah, you did.
Another one.
Point this shit out.
He would flip through the air to land on somebody, but he miscalculated or he slipped or whatever when he did the jump off the top rope.
Oh, God.
300-pound gigantic man lands on his face. Didn't even knock him out. Just continue like
straight from right turn only lane.
Pin the guy afterwards. Watch this. This is fucking
wow.
Yeah, it took me a while to control. That was on me.
Yeah, you're moving slow.
Red light runner.
Yeah. I came from a background that there was a horrible background, man. There was nothing like what we're doing here. I know it took me a while, but nobody's married. It's like
another red light runner up there that died.
I'm learning as
whatever
I go.
it is.
I'm learning as I go.
Douche nozzle. Can you see him?
Well, here, in fact, is a clip featuring Tony West, Chief Legal Counsel at Uber, in a conference call with reporters last week, and he told the reporters at AB.
Red light runner. I knew I'd catch something over here. It's like magic.
Two points. 2 points for you.
Messel left.
Many forms in a post 9/11 world. No, we kind of have an extremist fucking foreign policy.
In front of that school bus.
To help educate the public, we've previously
had to get our donuts.
Domestic terror threats. Eco-terrorist and
okay.
Drugs. Makes me feel weird to type this as a cop. Provide them for cheap and in moderation, and assess the users for long-term rehab. People are going to use drugs whether they're legal or not.
You adjust your
Take the power away
seat
from
belt.
these fucking dealers.
I mean, dude, just wow. So.
Oh, I so wanted that guy to get it, but that guy did. So.
And for those of you, wait a minute. I will truly not watch it. I will not watch it at all unless, I start getting threats in my comment section. Then I will be going to your video to make sure you are not encouraged.
That's for like those elephant cock guys just fucking walking around the goddamn trunks trying to feed itself. MeUndies has a great...
I think it turned red.
Remember that fucking Buddy Hackett joke?
The scale, like, hey, sell stuff. If you sell stuff and you hit this mark, you will get a pay raise the next quarter. That's how it works.
Last second exit.
For 3 quarters, we got pay raises. And then near the end of that time
you can stop at a red light anyways.
Well, he's one of us, so he's going to come on, and this is what we need. We need a black man or a black person to come on my show and say terrible things about Jameel Hill. And that's not what she got, and here's how she reacted to it.
Look, she lays it out very, very clearly, and it's actually something that I agree with.
All right.
And really, anyone who does a channel about rideshare or the gig economy in general, they cannot put all of their basket, their egg in
EB theme song. You must sing it in Reba voice. It's long.
I thought you were gonna cuss there.
Did he blow right? Whoa!
I thought you were.
He blew right through the stop sign and someone almost hit him. Yeesh.
I might swear.
Oh, really? Red light runner.
I'm yelling at you. It's just, it's not a blessing to you. It's a curse.
Red light runner.
Until you get in and turn the key, and when you're driving it home, it's a blessing.
You can't. What the hell? What the fuck are you? Asshole left. I'll wake up. I guess I'll go. That's why it's hard to judge Marisol lefts. Because sometimes I think she was just not paying attention. She was barely looking up at all.
Murray, my God, is that guy a beast? I always knew him and Adrian
Marisol
were
left.
fucking amazing, but just that fucking, he keeps sounding like...
Really? Don't tell me. Screw Brew driver, of course. Oh look, he would have gotten to the destination roughly the same time if he would have just gotten behind me. Wrong side of the road. Yeah, this is not the place to yield to pedestrians. You know that, right?
Everyone else is going crazy in the club, but they are. At least it's, an entertaining train wreck to watch. At least.
Wow.
Another reason we did that was to keep the personal power zone active so they can click a certain thing. In his email, Mr. Carlshaw, he said he's not making job cuts to appeal.
Sheesh.
No, you're making job cuts to appeal.
I start talking about this, as I said, you're very zeroed in. Bottom line.
Ducks. No, I think those are turkeys. No. Go! Run! There you go! Jeez. Come on. Yeah, just cheated all the way around. I don't know why they built this intersection to do that.
Expensive. Right now, prices are the lowest they've been in 20 years, and Policy Genius has made it easier than ever to get covered. Policy Genius is the easy way to Does that mean they fuck a lot of people? The term was created by the A-spec community as a way to describe those who are not
And another
asexual
last second exit. Jeez.
and slash are not.
Any laughs, I don't remember. I mean, I was depressed. I remember thinking I could never do this again.
Yeah,
I did
get
it one
out of
other
the
time,
street.
too, though.
Come on.
I could never do this again. It was fucking
But
terrible.
I'm street.
To make matters worse, JB...
that blue pickup douchebag. Of course someone was bound to do it.
Did he say fuck enough? Like, in his eyes, he was like, look, I'm just telling you this because I care. You're fucking up your career.
Another one.
So I had
Just set me over the top. I was like, I don't know. Just crying, laughing.
Oh.
God bless them.
Yeah, where did they find these people? was the thing, like,